Hi friends, so here we are going to solve this logical problem. From the given information in the figure, find the height of the table. So let us see what information is given here. A table is given. So this table, the height of this table is going to remain constant. Height of this table will remain constant here. Now there is a cat on the top of the table and there is a tortoise at the bottom of the table. The height from the top of the tortoise to the top of the cat is given 170 centimeter. And in case 2, the position of the cat and tortoise is interchanged. Now the tortoise is at the top of the table and the cat is sitting at the bottom. In second condition, the distance between the top of the cat to the top of the tortoise is 130 centimeter. I am going to find out the height of the table. So here 3 different elements are there. One is table, one is cat and one is tortoise. So cat is sitting above the table, so that is why height of the table plus height of the cat will give us a value which is greater than height of the table. But if you consider tortoise which is at the bottom, now the height of this tortoise is equal to the height of this part of table. So what we will do in order to frame a condition for this problem, what we will do, we can write in the solution, we can write height of the table plus height of the cat minus height of tortoise, TT is tortoise, is equals to 170 centimeter. So that is our condition number 1. Now why we are subtracting the height of the tortoise? Because height of the tortoise is already there in the height of the table. So we cannot count it twice. It is excluded. See, we have to calculate it from the top of this tortoise, from the head of the tortoise, from the top surface of the tortoise. So this part has to be excluded in the condition, and that is why we are subtracting it. So this is as per the condition number 1. If you go to the condition number 2, now you can easily derive condition number 2. Yes, that's it. So we write height of the table plus what we can write, height of the tortoise, because tortoise is at the top of the table, and what is repeating here, double counting is at C, that is the height of the cat is already there included in the height of the table. So we will subtract that minus height of the cat, and that will give us 130 centimeter. So this is equation number 2. Now in order to solve it, these are actually simultaneous equations in 2 variables. Now here we can see that there are 3 different variables and we have to find out the height of the table. So if you want to find out the height of the table is given in positive value in equation number 1, and in second equation it is also positive. But if you check the height of the cat, it's positive in case number 1, while it is negative in the condition number 2. Height of the tortoise is also repeating, but in condition number 1 it is negative, in condition number 2 it is positive. So what we'll do, we'll add these 2 equations. When we'll add these 2 equations, what will happen? The height of cat positive and negative, this will get eliminated, same number with opposite sign here, and this tortoise is positive, tortoise is negative, so this is also getting eliminated. Now just simplify t plus t, that will be 2 times t is equals to 170 plus 130, that will give us 300. So we have to find out value of t, that is table, so interchange it. Therefore height of the table is equals to 300 divided by 2, that will give us 150. So we can write height of table is equals to 150 centimeter. So we can write height of table is equals to 150 centimeter. Okay, in this problem maybe possible they will ask you to whether it is possible to find out the height of cat and height of tortoise. So it is not possible, because in this given condition either height of the cat or height of the tortoise must be mentioned, then only we can find out height of cat or height of tortoise. Right? They both are not mentioned here, other conditions are not mentioned, there is relation between cat and tortoise is also not mentioned with the respect of their height. So we cannot calculate height of cat or height of tortoise. So that's all for this problem. You have to simplify it. Thank you very much.